Hey there. Thanks for watching my Swipitz review by Jason Fulton, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Swipitz review is based on my honest opinion of actually purchasing this product myself and logging into the dashboard. I'm going to take you with me as I research this platform, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. Now, let's see what Swipitz promises us. Are you ready to start 2022 with a bang? Breakthrough 3-click swiping technology guarantees them $154.09 per hour. Whenever people tap or swipe, they profit. No selling required, no expenses required, and no waiting required. The bullet points on the right actually look a lot like their last few products that they've put out. But if you scroll down just a little bit further, they do tell you the long and short of it is that it pays them whenever someone swipes or taps their phone. The more people swipe, the more they get paid. That's what this whole sales page tells you. So let's take a look inside the dashboard. When you first come in, you are going to have the statistics that are pretty much standard these days. Next, we'll go into the trainings. In here, you have about 30 to 35 minutes total training. Out of the 6 videos, 2 of them are actually for the upsells. And then he does give you a small case study that he did where he actually chose to use CPA offers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come in and choose an offer or something to sell. Even if we look at CPA offers, this is actually going to be offervault.com. CPA offers is not something we have gotten into. It's actually cost per action offers. You can come in here and select whether you want it on mobile, which since this is a swipe technology, you would want to look at. And their extensive training involves telling you to pick a high converting offer. I feel like these can get you down a rabbit hole. Maybe 1 or 2 are good and then the other 50 are really bad. They also give you Warrior Plus, where it just takes you to the dashboard, and it does the same thing with JVZoo. So there's no training on picking an offer. I highly suggest you research your offers and make sure that you are promoting quality products. They also have a done for you products section down here. If we look at that, they do have one of their previous products up here, which is totally understandable. And then they tell you you have to create a ClickBank account. That's absolutely fine. A lot of people do use ClickBank because there is no wait for affiliate approval like there is with Warrior Plus and JVZoo. A newbie affiliate will often have very hard time getting approved for these affiliate offers if they ever get approved at all. Once you do find a product with an affiliate link that you want to promote, you'll go to My Funnels. You can see I've already made a few of them in here. Let's create one together. I'm just going to put some information in here to get us through this process, and then we'll take a look at the ones I've done earlier. So you'll give it a heading. You can search their images with any keyword. Once you click on it, it will show up on the right. You have to close, button text, and you'll choose an icon. Then we'll save. It says funnel title is mandatory, which is confusing because we click OK, that's actually in the next section. So if I go to swipe funnel, here's where we'll put our title in. If you want a countdown timer, you can start one here. This is where your affiliate link will go for the product you have chosen to promote. We'll just set this one for Google. Now the Facebook pixel is actually supposed to be an upsell, but as glitchy as this product has been all day, I'm not sure why that's showing up for me. We did not buy any upsells with this product. From here, you would definitely want to add a new page and go ahead and choose another image. And for the sake of this demonstration, we'll do one more. So now that we have a title in and we've added a couple of pages, I would think we would need to save again. Now I am actually required to put a scarcity timer on. So we'll go back up here, go ahead and enter some dates. Go back down and see if we can save it again. And now we have to go to the offer page and add media. So let's go to the offer pages. Here's our final heading. They give you the option to put in a video link here, and their training on that is to just go steal an embed code from YouTube somewhere. I highly suggest you do not do that. Not only can you get in some copyright trouble, you can also really piss off some other creators. So as a best practice, either reach out and ask for permission or make your own video or just add an image or a GIF here. On the right, you can see this is our first screen, our second, third, and fourth. The fourth is our offer page, which is what we're on now. I did already choose this image and close. See if it's there. So now it's showing up. You would want some button text and you need to put in another icon. Now maybe it will let us save. So now we have to go to the offer page and add a media, which is the page that we're on. And the 4 I added is gone again. So let's see if we can add media. We'll just choose a different one this time. Close, scroll down. So it does seem to be there. Maybe instead of saving right now, we go to the last tab, which is design. This is where you can change the buttons on your first page and your last page. So they do have some customization options. So I changed the border red, the background lilac. The Batoon text color is black, and we'll do a background. Maybe we'll just do a simple blue on this one. Now let's scroll down and make sure so this 4 isn't showing up again. Maybe we'll go back to the offer pages, search the images, choose a different one, close that. Okay, so now we've been in all of the tabs. Let's see if it will save this for us. And it did save. This particular one took me 3 hours today to actually get it to save. I had to redo it 7 different times. So this program is pretty glitchy. From here, we can actually view the funnel. This is the one we just made. I just want to click through this real quick and show you. It does have the timer. All of the information is showing. And then your last is they actually have to click this button for your affiliate product link. If they choose no, they're still taken to your affiliate product link because I put in google.com. This second one, Make Money Together, is the first one that I was able to get done today. If we take a look at that one, this one I gave a little bit more of a story to because I felt like it would look a little more real. What I didn't realize is that for this to be considered a survey, which will make sense in just a second, these actually need to be in the form of a question. And I didn't do that with this page. This is my final page. Again, I just have Google in for a link, but I want to see how hard it would be to edit this together. So I know that I want to change this particular screen into the form of a question. So I click edit and we'll scroll back to the top. Go to swipe funnel. I'm going to need to reinsert my text. I can't just edit it. So now I have my new question in there. It says I can click anywhere after editing to update. So I'm just going to hit enter. And now I just have a blank screen. This is the issue I was running into earlier. So I'm just going to open this on another screen and we'll keep an eye on this one as I finish up this demo. Go back into my funnels. So this is the one I tried to update and it's just spinning right now. I do have this one as well. Let's take a look at that. So this one I did from a done for you funnel. So all of this was put in. I just made a few adjustments so that you would know I had been in here. Your customer would be directed to this and they can swipe to start here or here. This is meant to be seen on a mobile phone. We'll just click through as yes so that we can see. To me, the pictures look a little weird, kind of stretched out. This is kind of where I noticed all of them were in the form of a question so that this could be considered a survey. They did add a couple of gifts, sent you through a little story kind of, and then at the end you would click this button and be taken to the affiliate product sales page with your affiliate link. So if you did happen to make a sale, this is where it would happen. Now, the reason I've mentioned survey a couple of times, if we copy this URL and take a look at it here in Google, this is what you send out for other people to see. It is not branded for your business. It's actually branded for SwipItzApp.com. And it says it's a survey. That was why it was important to me to try to get this one into the form of a question where I wanted to make that adjustment here. Now, this page is still just spinning for me. Maybe if I update it here, it will update. So let's go back. It hasn't completed yet. So I guess it is still in process, but it just seems like it's doing nothing. We'll come back to this. So those are the 3 that I was able to make. And we'll take a look at done for you swipe funnels. In the front end for $19, they do give you 20 different funnels here. Our niche is affiliate marketing and make money online. So video marketing was the first one I chose. And out of these 20, it looks like there's only one more. We take a look at this and we'll just click through here to see what this looks like, just so y'all can kind of take a look at it. If we get to the end, we realize it's Clickits, which is a Jason Fulton, Sean Ogundele product. There's nothing wrong with that. And if you wanted to use that, you would just clone this funnel. Once you do that, you go back to my funnel and it shows up here for you to go in and edit as you see fit. Make sure you put your affiliate link in. And the last thing we haven't gone over is get traffic. If you push this button, Swipitz is giving you the option to send this survey URL out to any current existing lists on your social media platforms. You will already need to have an account with these and a following. By that, I mean you will need people on your Facebook and or Twitter and or Pinterest who know you sell products and want recommendations from you and are planning to buy from you. If your Twitter feed is full of friends and family that send funny stuff back and forth, you are not going to make any extra money with Swipitz. Is this something that you would continue to swipe through to into the end? And then when you get there, you find out it's actually a sales page where they want your money. Other than this get traffic button over here, you do have the option to send funnel if you already had an email list of people that wanted to buy from you. I tried to send a test this way, and if I hit the send button, it tells me that something went wrong. So I can't email it out with this function either. Let's see if I refresh this if it has updated yet. So it looks like this still isn't done updating. It is still just showing a blank tab. And what is the strategy that Swipitz is trying to get you to use? They want you to make one of these swipe funnels where your customer will have to answer the questions and click through to the end where you are presented with a product for sale to send out to your current existing lists or email lists on these platforms. And what are my problems with Swipitz? Well, other than you never know if you've saved anything or if it actually updates. We can take a look one more time. Still not updating. Seems like only the done for you swipe funnels work quickly, and the training is definitely lacking. When it comes to choosing offers, they don't tell you anything about picking a quality product. They do try to give you ClickBank, but it's hidden down in here because ClickBank has no weight for affiliate approval. I really feel like they're missing out on another great company out there called Digistore24. If you look at our website on Affiliate Marketing Informant, we have done a couple of articles about this, as well as corresponding videos, which I will link throughout this video. We've gone into picking out products, why and how you should pick them. We've also shown you how to make money in an actual niche with a Digistore product, as well as some cheat sheets and some other things that we can help you out with. If you guys are interested, feel free to head on over to that. And the last issue I have is the training about stealing a video for your offer page. Do not just go stealing videos from people on YouTube. Reach out and actually ask permission. It can get you in a lot of trouble. As far as pricing for Swipitz, it is $19 on the front end. This product actually has a whopping 9 upsells. Upsell number 1 is the unlimited version, which means the front end is going to have limitations, and I have absolutely no idea what they are. I have researched, but I haven't been able to find them. Upsell number 2 is going to be done for you at $297. Upsell number 3 is the automated edition at $47. Upsell number 4 is the missing code. This was actually an upsell in a product I did yesterday and several products I did last month. So they do seem to be putting this into just about every funnel for some odd reason. Upsell number 5 is $147. That one's going to be your done for you buyer traffic. Upsell number 6 is $47. That's your commission maximizer. Upsell number 7 is your license rights. Upsell number 8 is automated 1K profits. And then upsell number 9 is going to be your mega bundle. All total, Swipitz is going to run you $1,032 for an extremely glitchy product. You don't know if you've saved updates or not. You have to keep coming back in here and just checking over and over again. Like I said, it took me 3 hours to get this one to save earlier, and I don't have that kind of time this afternoon. The sales page tells you that you don't have to sell anything and that you get paid whenever people just tap or swipe. I think we realize that's not true. You actually have to have a product to sell of some sort. Otherwise, you will not make any money with Swipitz or any other product. Guys, I'll leave it to you whether you want to waste your time, your money, or your energy on Swipitz. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Swipitz review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.